Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the iPad Pro M5, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the iPad Pro M5, Apple Pencil, power adapter, USB-C cable, user manual, product overview, exploded view, internal view, orderable parts. The screws column below lists screws required for each part repair, including screws needed for any other parts involved in the repair. Specification. How to use. After powering on, the iPad runs iPadOS 26 with the new liquid glass design. The initial setup process takes a few steps, but once complete, it's ready for testing with apps like Procreate and video editing tools. Customize the iPad display with options for brightness, text size, contrast, and color filters for a clearer and more comfortable viewing experience. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, and select Sign Out. Keep or erase your data, then sign in with the new Apple ID using your password and verification code. How to connect. The Magic Keyboard uses power from the iPad through the Smart Connector and does not need a separate battery. Charge through the iPad or the keyboard's USB-C port while keeping the iPad port available for accessories. A USB-C hub expands your iPad with support for monitors, keyboards, mice, and charging, creating a desktop-like setup. An Ethernet adapter also provides faster, more reliable internet for tasks like streaming, uploads, and video calls. Connect your camera to the iPad with a capture card and use the Monitor Plus app to view live footage, check focus, and frame shots. The paid version also allows direct camera control from the iPad. Smart features. iPad Pro M5 supports advanced AI tools for writing assistance, image editing, smarter searches, and improved productivity across apps. The Liquid Retina XDR display automatically adjusts refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling, gaming, and Apple Pencil interactions. Use resizable app windows and arrange multiple apps on screen for a desktop-like workflow. Connect an external monitor and extend your workspace for better productivity and multitasking. Preview tools, brush sizes, and effects before touching the screen with Apple Pencil hover support. Enables accurate color reproduction for professional photo, video, and design workflows. Setup Guide. Prepare for setup. Turn on and set up your iPad. Move from an Android device to iPad. Wake, unlock, and lock iPad. Unlock iPad with Face ID. Setup ising. Install a physical SIM. Manage cellular data service. Connect iPad to the internet. Networks and connect to Wi-Fi. Share a Wi-Fi password. Join a personal hotspot. Manage settings, Wi-Fi, and hotspots. Sign in to your Apple account. Change your Apple account settings. Set up iCloud. How to access iCloud. Sign into iCloud. Enable iCloud features. Choose app for syncing. Turn on iCloud backup. You're all set. About locating a device. See location your device on map. Locate a device in Find My on iPad. Play a sound on your device. Get directions to a device. Customize iPad for child. Set boundaries screen time. Protect your child's vision health. Explicit photos and videos. Set up Apple Cache. Camera settings. Access camera settings. Preserve camera settings. Formats. Record video. Lens correction. Camera privacy. Battery safety. Warning. Set up workspace for battery safety. How to handle batteries. How to handle battery thermal event. Broken glass safety. iPad battery usage and health. Battery usage information. System activity information. iPad gestures. Basic gestures. Control iPad and its apps using a few simple gestures: tap, touch and hold, swipe, scroll, and zoom. Advanced gestures. This guide explains common iPad gestures for navigating the home screen, switching apps, accessing controls, and more. Some gestures vary on iPads with the home button. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your iPad Pro M5. See you in the next one.